Again, this is function notation. This is something that you may have learned last year. Writing this as g of x instead of just y equals tells you that this is a function. It passes the vertical line test. There are no repeaters in the domain. Okay, this down here, g of negative 30, tells you instead of g of x, they're telling you what x is. Okay, they're telling you x is negative 30, so to plug negative 30 in. Okay, so we'll take x out and plug in negative 30, because that's what we were told to plug in over here, over 3 plus 3. And then PEMDAS. This is the calculator section of the SAT. So you will have a calculator to help you PEMDAS. Okay, so when you PEMDAS, I would take care of the numerator first. 2 times negative 30 would give you negative 60 over 3 plus 3. And then I would divide before I add. Negative 30 divided by, negative 60 divided by 3 would give you negative 20. Negative 20 plus 3 would be negative 17, which is C as in cat.